Now this is interesting. Snip's got a pretty powerful stuffy nose right now. And the internet's terrible, so I got to make this really fast. The modern opium den. Starbucks installs needle disposal boxes across U.S. locations. You saw how good it ended in San Francisco, California. They're giving away needles to the drug users. Well, we don't want them spreading diseases, so we're giving them free needles, who then shoot themselves up and dump them all over the streets for people to accidentally step on, walk on, crap, feces all over the streets. You're helping them with the problem of drug use. You're making it easier for them. Here, we'll give you free needles. So Starbucks has a solution. According to Business Insider, Starbucks, which is now moonlighting as a safe house for both needles users across the country, will install needle disposal boxes in its bathrooms, in stores in at least 25 U.S. markets in the coming months. By this summer, the chain aims to have installed sharps boxes in bathrooms in all regions where such action has been deemed necessary. So, in other words, every Starbucks public bathroom will soon become a congregation space for both drug users and soon after their dealers. Put a liberal in charge and they will run your business into the ground. Do you have any idea how many people are going to stop going to Starbucks when they see, wow, I went to the bathroom and I saw a guy shooting up? Oh, I went to the bathroom and there was a guy doing a drug deal in it. Like, take a phenomenally uh, profitable business, Starbucks coffee, and run it into the effing ground by letting a liberal run it. This is the result of that. Take care.